I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is unlocked and has reasonable battery. Interruptions can block the change. Next, open Settings and navigate to System or About Phone to locate developer options. If you don't see it, tap build number 7 times to enable the menu. Once developer options is visible, tap to open it and prepare to find USB debugging. This step exposes the exact toggle. Make sure you understand that disabling USB debugging prevents ADB access. Now scroll within developer options until you hit the USB debugging entry, sometimes labeled Android debugging, because labels vary by vendor. Once found, tap the toggle to switch it off. A confirmation dialog may appear explaining what you're disabling, so read it and confirm. After you accept, watch for the toggle to flip to off and the brief system toast that confirms the change. If you use a device management profile, make sure the policy allows toggling before leaving developer options. To finalize, reboot the device so DRM and system services fully register that USB debugging is disabled. This helps restore access to protected content. If you find the toggle re-enables itself, inspect security and device admin policies. MDM or vendor apps can force USB debugging on. Once done, you can also revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options to clear saved host keys. If problems continue, disable suspicious device admin apps, reboot again, and then verify protected content plays as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.